right, Bob, so we're talking about these temperatures. You know, it's been cooler than average, but you've got some really good news for us in the full forecast.
Yeah, it's not the greatest news for the ski areas, though.
Yeah.
Which leads us to our ski report.
All
but I
right.
do have some good news to report from that disturbance earlier in the week.
What's that?
They picked up a little bit of snow, as mostly locations to our east and to our south. It was good for Pomerel and Grand Targhee, as you'll see, but Bogus Basin managed to pick up an inch in the last 7 days at Brundage Mountain. Sun Valley, the film festival going on through Sunday. No new snow at Tamarack. Anthony Lakes has a spring break camp later this month. Pomerel picked up an inch and 13 inches in the last week, so
wow,
that storm was good to them. And Grand Targhee also picked up quite a bit of snow, 3 inches new, 10 inches in the last week. A reminder for you, this is the weekend that we turn our clocks ahead 1 hour. We spring ahead. Officially starts at 2 a.m. You set your clock ahead to 3 a.m. Just do it before you go to bed on Saturday night. You'll be on time for church on Sunday. Some chilly mornings over the next few days, 60s by the weekend, changes by midweek. And there's a big storm back east once again. If you run into some flight delays, that's what's going on. Here's the futurecast. That thing will push on out into the Atlantic by 4 o'clock a.m. and then it'll be fairly quiet, but another little Alberta Clipper type of system will provide upstate New York with some additional snow. Here's our live look outside. We have a beautiful blue sky out there under those conditions. Current temperature in Boise, 45 degrees, 30 in McCall, 21 degrees in Stanley. Now here's our weather pattern over the next few days. You'll see temperatures warming up, looking for a high pretty close to 52 degrees. We should hit that about 450 on Thursday. On Friday, the overnight low dipping down into the mid-30s across the valley. Daytime highs warming up a little bit, upper 50s for Friday. And then on Saturday morning, dipping back down. Even the overnight lows will see some improvement there. And you'll see the continual trend here, looking like some 60s for the weekend. That's Saturday at 4 p.m. All right, satellite map has clear skies centered just off the west coast and no real big changes. The flow right over the top of that high pressure ridge, which is holding steady. And as you see on our futurecast, no big changes as we head into Friday, on into Saturday. A little bit of cloud cover grazing our northern Idaho panhandle, and maybe a little bit of a frontal system producing some showers in Montana, and that's about the closest the precipitation will be to us. Here's our close-in futurecast of southern Idaho. At times we'll have some high clouds. Here we have this evening at about 7:30, forecasting partly cloudy skies overnight. Then the skies will clear up in the early morning hours. Clear for much of tomorrow. There's 10:30 on Friday. Just a few clouds moving by to the north, and that is about it. Here's our forecast then, sunny and warmer. Twin Falls high about 52 degrees. For Sun Valley, a high of 42. Sunny after some chilly mornings. Mostly sunny and chilly. Notice a little bit more cloud cover, some high clouds just to the northwest and to the west of us. Mostly sunny for Canyon County, but here in Boise, looking at pretty much a cloud-free sky. Daytime highs in the mid-50s. Here's our extended forecast. Near 60 degrees for tomorrow. Some locations could hit 60, and that's pushing almost 10 degrees above normal. We'll be above normal by 10 degrees by Sunday. We'll top out on Monday, and then some changes coming our way on Wednesday. Cooler, slight chance of rain. At this point in time, we'll have a better idea as we get closer. Brian?